biscuits. Ingredients: 2 bananas, cinnamon, a cup of oats. Procedure: first, peel the bananas and mash them. Next, pour the banana puree together with the oats and cinnamon. After that, mix all the ingredients together. Then, place spoonfuls of the mixture onto a lined baking tray. Finally, put the biscuit in the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Bon appetit!
My Bueno cake. Ingredient: 2 Bueno chocolate bars, 1 bar of dark chocolate, 1 bar of white chocolate, 2 spoonfuls of Nutella, 3 spoonfuls of chocolate powder, 1 cup of milk, 1 packet of whipped cream. Instruction: first, make the whipped cream. Next, mix the Nutella with the chocolate powder. After that, melt half of the dark chocolate with a little milk and we put it in the bowl. Then mix all the ingredients together and put the mixture in the medium cake tin. Finally, melt the white chocolate and half of the dark chocolate. Decorate the cake with chocolate and Bueno. Freeze the mixture about 2 hours. Good luck!